how to fix the blue screen error on your Windows computer. So if your computer's not starting and you're just stuck on this blue screen of death, then I'm going to show you a few ways to go and solve this issue. Now, the first thing you need to do is go and start your computer in recovery mode. Now, the easiest way to do this is make sure your computer is completely switched off. You can then press the power button to turn on your computer. As soon as you see the startup screen, go and hold down the power button to turn it off once again. And you'll need to repeat this process 3 times by turning on the computer and turning it back off. And on the 4th time, it will go and load up this recovery screen here. Now from this window, you need to click on See Advanced Repair Options. You can then click on Troubleshoot and click on Advanced Options. Now the first thing we're going to do is click on Startup Repair, and this will try to automatically repair any issues with your Windows PC. So you'll just need to wait a few minutes while this goes and carries out the scan. If it's still not working, then we need to come back over to the Advanced Options, and instead of clicking on Startup Repair, this time click on Command Prompt. Now from this window, you need to go and type in the following commands. So type in boot rec / rebuild BCD and then go and press enter. Once you've done that, type in boot rec / fix mbr and then go and press enter. Now type in boot rec / fix boot and then go and press enter. You could then type in exit and you can try restarting your computer and you can check to see if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, then we need to come back over to this recovery page. This time we're going to click on Uninstall Updates and click on Uninstall Latest Feature Update. You can then go through the steps to uninstall this from your PC. If it's still not working, you can also try uninstalling the latest quality updates as well. And once again, you can just go through the steps on the screen. Now, if it's still not working, come back over to the recovery page and this time click on System Restore. You can then go through the steps to check if you have any restore points that you can go and recover your computer to. Now, if you have tried all of the steps so far and nothing's working, then you'll need to go and reset your PC. Now, to do this, come back over to the Advanced Options page. You could then click on Troubleshoot once again, and this time click on Reset this PC. You'll have 2 options to either keep your files or to remove everything. Now we want to keep our files to make sure our personal data is not deleted, so I'm going to click Keep My Files. You'll then have 2 options of how you would like to reinstall Windows, either a cloud download or local reinstall. Now start with a cloud download, but if this doesn't work, you can always do a local reinstall as well. You could then just follow the rest of the steps in order to reset your computer, and that's how to fix the blue screen of death in Windows.